Perfect. Okay, let's get started on this group quiz.
Don't do homework Saturday night. iLearn 3.0 will be down.
Wait, what?
It says something about how iLearn will be down on Saturday night.
Huh. Good to know.
Standard time from like 11 to 5. I just saw that, so I was like, oh.
Let's do this. Okay, group quiz. Let's look at it. I have yes. Okay. So this is a lot easier because I had like the formulas and I actually knew how to do it from just doing the homework.
That's good.
All that. Okay. Let's go to screen share. There it is. Okay, so I'm confident on the first one.
Okay.
Let's present to everyone. Am I presenting? Yes. Okay. So I'm going to go to this. All real solutions. Put it down. Maybe I didn't. But okay, so A, let's do it down here. So for 1A, you got x to the 4 plus 14x squared equals negative 45, right?
Yeah.
So you want
you need to put it on your X or a little up thingy. Sorry.
Oh yeah. There we go. So I know you need to bring the 45 over. 45 equals 0. And I know you find the factors of 45 that equal 14. And that would be 9 times 5 is 45, and it will also equal 14.
Yeah.
So take 9, 5. And then there was an exact question on the homework that made you do this. And you had to get like all the solutions, and so you have to do the square root of each. So I got 3, -3, and the square root of 5. And I'll just copy this and do negative, yeah, just a negative square root of 5. Does that seem right?
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay. Are you confident on the B at all? If you're not, that's okay.
What did you do for For the absolute value part. Did you like just pretend it didn't exist
Let's see.
when you were doing it?
I swear I had.
It looks like it's like
Oh,
this.
finding absolute value. So you got x squared minus 8x equals 9x minus 72. Okay. So what you got to do is you move these variables around. You end up getting, so it's, you got x squared and you got plus 2x, and you bring a 5 down to the 2x, so that's going to leave you with minus, wait, yep, subtract 5 from the 2, you got 3x. Oh, except it's minus x2, that's different.
Well, it looks like if you were to put them all on one side, I was trying to pencil. Hold on. So wouldn't it just make 2x squared plus 2x minus 5
Plus 2x.
as like the problem?
Oh yeah, that makes more sense. Plus
you just
2x.
add that over.
5. And then to get factors of 5, except there's no.
I don't think it can be.
It can't
Can
be
be
factored.
perfectly.
What would it be then? Minus 5.
You might have to do that. Do the x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, maybe. That little problem, what that is.
So you got 2 square root of 2 times 4 times AC. That's 5 times 4, that's 20 times 2. Got the square root of 40, right? Divided by 2. Yeah, I'm lost. Oh, darn it, I'm struggling. Let's just skip it for now.
I could run upstairs and grab my calculator. Because I have one of those like scientific ones, and one in high school, they actually gave us, like we all share this.
Sorry.
You can plug in A, B, and C, and it'll either like give you the two parentheses that you times by each other, or it'll give you the answer to that x equals negative B thing. So I can run and get that. I just left it upstairs.
Yeah, no problem.
And see, maybe it has an answer that we Well, did you get, oh, well, it's negative 36. All right, let me just go grab it real quick.
Okay.
Okay. So this one says that it's the answer is -2 plus or minus square root of 44 over 4, which if you plug them all in, that's kind of what you get. Kind of as in that's at least what I got.
So say that again.
So so when I plugged it in to make like the two different like times together, it gives you like 0 and negative 0.733 or something like that. So it doesn't work perfectly.
Gotcha.
So if you do it in the that other equation, I wish I remember the name, but I can't. It comes out as -2 plus or minus square root of 44 divided by 4 as the answer.
So does it, if you plug it into the equation, does it work out okay?
I don't know how to plug that into an equation though.
So you just replace all the x's with the number, and then so what? Say the exact number again.
Well, it says that equation, and then under it says or 1.158312 like it gives another number.
1 point what?
Comes up. How many decimal places do you want me to go out to?
Just 3.
1.158.
Yeah. So
or negative 2.158. So we can try plugging those in.
did you tell me the number? Can you hear me?
Yeah. Did you plug something in? Sorry.
No, I didn't hear the number.
Oh, there's two. So there's positive 1.158 and then a negative 2.158.
Negative 2.58.
158.
Negative 2.158.
Yeah. And then 1.158.
Squared.
I'm plugging, do you want to do the negative 2.158? Because I'm doing the 1.
Yeah.
And then we'll see if it comes out. These ones came out to equal each other.
2.158 times 2.
Well, they like kind of equal each other, but the decimal places, like when you get to the third one, they don't equal each other after that, but I wonder if it's because we rounded it.
That's 5. Yeah, that looks a little right. 5. 2.158 squared. 5.
Did they work for you?
Yes, it did actually.
Was it like were they the same numbers or were they kind of different? Because mine were kind of different at like the last 4 decimals that it came up.
No, it is relatively the same.
Yeah.
I feel confident enough putting it as an answer.
Yeah.
So what do we got for B?
For B?
Yeah.
Like the one we just did?
Yeah.
So do you think we should give it as the like that really long answer or just a decimal? She'll probably want the long answer.
We could do both. Let's go with the long answer.
Yeah, hold on. Let me plug in one more time so I can get it exactly. So I'd put the answer as -2 plus or minus square root of 44 divided by 4.
-2. Sorry, go slow.
Plus or minus.
Plus 4 minus
Square root of 44.
Square root of what?
44.
44 over something?
Divided by 4.
Divided by 4.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Did you want those decimals or do you want to just leave it like that?
Yeah. Let's do the decimals.
So it's 1.158 or -2.158.
2.518 or 2.158?
2.158. They both end in the same decimal.
Okay. I heard 5. I heard 5, but
Sorry.
that's what I thought. Okay. No, you're good. Sweet. Let's do number 2.
Okay.
Do you want a screen share?
I didn't. I can try to type it into a Word document. I just wrote it on a piece of paper.
Okay. Well, I'm curious. If you feel confident about it, I would be curious to see how you do it on screen share if you can.
Yeah, let me just type it out for you then.
Okay.
This is how I think you would do it. It might be wrong, but it's gonna take me a second.
No rush. I'll start looking at 3 while you're doing that.
Sorry, it takes me a while to get used to like putting the little tower things in.
No worries. Whenever you're ready, just tell me, and I'll focus on you.
I'm probably doing this
Stuff.
in like the hardest way possible.
No, you're worried. No worries.
Okay, see if I can figure out how to do the screen share. Okay, is this how I do it? It's just doing it.
Okay, sorry, let me look.
Is it like showing you anything? I'm not very good with this stuff.
No, I can't see anything. Oh, wait.
Oh, I went back to you, so it might be weird.
I can't even see you right now.
It doesn't show you anything at all? Is it just black?
It just has your picture up.
Yeah, because it says on here that you're screen sharing on like the little green top thing.
Huh.
Is it working now?
No. Take it off screen share.
Huh?
Click off screen share.
Okay.
Okay, so I can see you again. And then try sharing your desktop.
What's that?
So when you do screen share, you have options of what you can screen share. Choose your
Okay.
desktop.
Did it do anything now?
Yes, I can see.
Can you see the Word document now?
It's not pulled up. No.
It might be like slow or something.
Oh yeah, I'm frozen.
I'm sorry.
Work, darn you.
Do you want me to email you this document really quick?
Yeah, that could work.
I didn't like put the answers. I can put the answers in really quick. If you want.
Okay, so just do
Like,
Connor Adam Ward. You have my email at connoradamward@gmail.com.
Yeah, I was just gonna send it to what I was. Hold on, let me open that up again.
Okay.
Connor Adam Ward at Gmail. Yeah. Do you want me to write in the answers really quick?
Sorry, what?
I'm just gonna write in the answers really quick and then I'll send it to you.
Okay. I'm going to keep working on number 3 while you do that.
Okay. I am so bad at using Google the documents.
Hey, you're good.
Okay, I sent it to you. Hopefully it works.
Okay.
The only thing I didn't add in that is because on that, the x squared minus 6x plus 14, I did that b minus equation on it. So if you think it'd be better, I could just send you a picture of what I did because I didn't really want to write that all out because I felt like that'd be a lot to follow with the divided.
Okay. So how did you get this?
So I think it was during the homework that I saw them do something like this. They like broke up the equation into two different parts. So I kind of thought the equation of like, I didn't really put the 0 in, which I guess I could have put like maybe the 0 on the other side, but I figured that didn't really matter. But I put like the x1 problem parentheses, and then I did the other two in another one. And then I pulled out the least common factor, or whatever that term is, to the first part and to the second part.
Uh-huh.
And then in like I saw them do it, they like added it together as its like own separate thing. It sounds confusing, but I saw them do it somewhere. So I just kind of went with that and thinking like that could be how they did it. Because I can't really think of any way. If you have ideas, maybe you'd like know what to do for it.
Let's see.
Because maybe you have it right and I just followed some more along.
Let's see. -2. What did I get? I think some of those are right. How did you get the eyes?
I think when the underneath the square root sign, the numbers, because when you like square an I, you get a -1.
Sure.
Like I squared is -1. I don't know how you could check that. Really cool.
I think we're just gonna have to go with it.
Yeah, because on this calculator, when you do I squared, it makes -1. And so like -1 times 5 makes a -5. So I think that's where they get the I from. I could be wrong.
-4, 4, 8, 6, 14.
Sorry. So I got like the 0 from pulling out. You could also get like, you can pull out an X there, and then X equals X. The 2X, the 2 squared. Then the X minus 4 makes 4. So
did you do synthetic division?
Sorry.
Did you do synthetic division?
B minus B thing? I can't remember. Oh, that's the that little square thing. I didn't.
Just to check the answer and make sure it's okay. So like let's put in 3 for example. So if I do 1 times it by 3. 3, that's -6.
I just didn't know what to divide it by. You did some division. I didn't know what you would do.
So with all the zeros, let's see. So let me finish figuring this out. So 3 times is 9. -9. That puts it at 5. 5 times 3 again is 15. So that leaves 6, 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Plus 8, that leaves it 35. So 3 wouldn't be 1. But let's use 3 isn't 1, no. because it doesn't equal 0 at the end.
Yeah.
So let's take 2. I'll try the number 2. 1 times 2 is, let's see, that's negative 4 times 2. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. That gives you 6.
But I don't think this is going to be right either.
That's not right either.
I don't think 4 is the right answer.
Okay.
Because I like plugged it in and I don't think
Huh?
like it's going to equal 0.
15, negative 6, 8. I feel like I think I'm misleading us because none of these are working. And I feel like somewhere between 1 and 4, one of them would have worked. I think I'm pulling us off track. I'm sorry.
I don't want
pulling.
to be wrong because then I'd feel bad.
What?
I don't want to go with like these answers and then they be wrong.
I'm kind of at the point where I'm just gonna just hope that it's right and not be upset if it isn't.
I think 0 is right because if you plug 0 in, they'd all equal 0. So
I think you're right. I think 0 is right. We'll get partial credit.
Yeah, maybe she'll be like, you tried.
Let's see. Okay, the cost for making X plates of food. Let's move on to 3.
Sorry.
No worries. In fact, we have time, so let's move on to 3, and then we could get off. I don't know. We could get off and spend some time work on 2 and try and figure it out. Maybe like go back to old homework questions and stuff like that. But 3, I'm a little lost. Let's see. I'm gonna screen share. Present to everyone. Okay. Can you see me? Or can you see my thing? Okay. So let me pull up real quick. So we got original equation of C, or what is it? 88 point. Oh, 83.50. Equals 0.5x plus square root of, let's just do that for a square root, 8x plus 5,000, right?
Yeah.
So to get rid of the square root, we want to square both sides. So if you square both sides, squaring 83.5 will leave you with 6,972.25, right? Squaring 0.5 will leave you with 0.25. And then squaring that just gets rid of the square root, and you're left with 8x and 5,000, right? Look good so far? Are you frozen? Can you hear me?
See stuff, but I think it like goes on and on. Now it's back to my face.
It's what?
Okay, I can see it. But my face on your screen is frozen. It's weird.
Oh. Okay. So does that look right so far? 6,972.25 equals 0.25x?
Yeah.
Okay. So the question is, where do we take it from here? I thought you do x squared plus 8.25, and then you'd like subtract the 5,000 from this and try and solve it from there, but that wasn't really working. So now I'm just a little confused. Darn it, Wi-Fi is not working. Well, I guess we can just turn in this recording and just, oh, there she is. It's not working. Darn it, she can't get back on. Darn it, I don't think I'm gonna get her back. I think we'll just solve 3 on our own and just text each other and coordinate with each other. But good meeting and see you on Tuesday.